In this tutorial, we're delving into the realm of making money with Dall-E 3. If you've been pondering how to leverage Dall-E 3 to generate income by creating and selling images online, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step. To kick things off, fire up the Bing application and ensure you're logged into your preferred accounts. Also, make sure GPT-4 is enabled. With these preliminaries out of the way, you're ready to harness Dall-E 3's capabilities. Now, you can prompt Dall-E 3 to create various images for you. For instance, you could ask it to generate an image of a dog sipping tea. The range of possibilities is vast. But let's talk business. Suppose you're keen on crafting designs for merchandise like t-shirts, which you can then sell either online or in brick-and-mortar stores. With Dall-E 3, you can request it to create these designs at zero initial cost. Once you have the design, you're free to print and sell it wherever you please. Alternatively, you might want to delve into the realm of digital art. Picture this: you're part of a creative community on platforms like Facebook specializing in multimedia, Photoshop, or video editing. Someone in the group desires a custom image of their favorite animal engaged in an activity. You can offer to create such images for them, either for a fee or as a service exchange. These are just a few avenues through which you can utilize Dall-E 3 to generate income. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.